between Kasangao and... Right. First looking ball. Here is Sumalakay. Sumalakay looking for a team and goes to Kenji. Okay. Here is Sumalakay. Campino goes to Kasangao. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound stolen. Here is Kenji. His 3-pointer won't go. Rebound number 1. Dalumpines. Dalumpines goes to Avalos. Jason. No. Rebound by Sumalakay. Sumalakay dribbling. Stolen by Jason. Passes to his teammate. Okay, picks up the ball. Here's number 1, Dalumpines. And the first basket belongs to Team Celebrity. It's 2-0 here in the first quarter. Here is Kenji. Another 3-pointer. No good. Sumalakay. No good again. And Gimbal is shooting 0 out of 4 from the field. Here on the first. Here is Jason. Jason goes to Juanes, number 23. And the shoot, 3-pointer. No good. Rebound goes to number 6, Dustin. Goes to Jason. 3-pointer. Rebound by Matulak. Matulak goes to Kenji. Kenji back to Matulak. And that was the first basket of Gimbal. Assist coming from Kenji. And Matulak Rexmar with the basket. Here is Dalumpines. Goes to the post outside. And stolen by Kenji. A 2-on-1 situation. Sumalakay back to Kenji. No good. Kenji 0-2. And the first basket of Kenji in Gimbal. 2 points. And here is number 23. Goes to Jason. Baseline jumper is good for Jason. Ang ating score, 4-all. Deadlock with 55 seconds remaining. Here's Sumalakay, 3-pointer, no good. Rebound Matulak. Matulak outside to Kenji, 3-pointer. Wala kang sangyapon. And rebound goes to Kasangao. Ayan Carl, fadeaway jumper, won't go. Rebound number 23. And they are on the break. Juanes goes to Barranco. 3-pointer. No. Darwasan sa kabilog. And there's another zone. And stolen by Sumalakay. And Sumalakay alone. And he will listen in for the easy. Oh no! And a 2-point coming from Kenneth Sumalakay. And number 1, Dalumpines na talong na Jason outside to Justin. His 3-pointer. And here is Sumalakay. Sumalakay goes to Kenji. Kenji, another attempt. Oh, no good. And the rebound, good pass out coming from number 1. And here is Barranco for 2 points. 2 points for Team Celebrity. Now the score, 6-6. Camino outside to Kenji. Kenji looking for Matulak. Back to Kenji. Outside. Sumalakay with 10 on the shot clock. Sumalakay with a euro. Goes to Matulak. Won't go. And rebound secured by number 23. Number 23 with the ball defended by Kenji. Goes to Barranco. Here is Jason. Jason outside. Barranco once again with 10 to shoot. The jumper, no good. Rebound secured. And the ball will stay to Team Celebrity. Dalumpines goes to number 6, layup short. And ang namasagyan para bola. 5 to shoot, Team Celebrity, 5 to shoot. And here is Dalumpines going outside. Barranco is the quarter. No good. Pero ang bola, secured by Matulak. Matulak goes to Kenji. And Kenji with a basket. 4 points already para kay Kenji. He is shooting 2 out of 6 from the field. No good. Okay, another attempt. Avalos defended by Sumalakay. Dalumpines, his 3-pointer. Tapos man sa giyapon. And here is Matulak. Camino. Camino goes to Kenji. Kenji looking for a teammate outside to Matulak with 14 on the shot clock. Sumalakay, 3-pointer. Bingo. 5 minutes and 22 remaining, 11-6, a 5 points lead by Team Gimbal, and a rebound, it will go outside in 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here is Juan Mesa, 3-pointer, no, rebound, going to Jason, pero kapos ang tira ni Jason. And here is Sumahay. On the other hand, defended by Avalos, going to Kenji, even fly, oh my goodness! Woo! What a layup from Kenji, and a 2-point on the other hand. Para sa kay Team Celebrity, 13-8. It's a 5-point lead by Team Gimbal. And here is Sumaramay, stolen by Team Celebrity. Here is number 1, and the layup will count 2 points. For Team Celebrity, it's only a 3-point ball game. And there is Pasco Raven. Raven, 3-pointer, no good. Rebound number 21. They will go to Dalumpines. Dalumpines outside. Barrambo is 3-pointer. No good again. And Barrambo is shooting 0 out of 3. From the 3-point line. And Sumaramay will go to Camino. Outside to Kenji. His 3-pointer. What's up? 3 points! Kenji with a total of 9 points already early in the ball game. And another basket for Team Celebrity. And Kenji tonight is shooting 5 out of 9 from the field. A 55% field goal shooter, and another assist coming from Kenji to Lexman Matula for the second time tonight.
Favor of
and 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining outside the dustbin. He will shoot the tray. He's the pointer the post. And there is Matula. Matula waiting for a teammate. Matula faking the pass, goes to okay, and it's a foul. And we have a substitution right here. Outside to Amon. Amon! No good. Rebound by number 28. 28 waiting for him. Barrambo will go to Jason. Jason will go inside. Assist? No. And rebound by Basco. Basco defended by Jason. He will go to Hikangao. Hikangao going to Garancho. His 3-pointer. Wide right para kay Garancho. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining, and the basket will count para kay number 17. Garancho. Sorry. And here is Basco outside to Kilab. Faking, looking, and there is stolen again by Barrambo. And the layup is good para kay number 17. Again, a back-to-back basket para kay Imera. Okay. Si Pasco Raven. Ginaharas ni number 18. Looking for Enchaneo. Enchaneo will go baseline. The pass inside. But stolen again. Another steal for Team Celebrity. Here is the layup, and the lefty layup is good. Again for Team Celebrity. Another score. 9? 18. They deadlock at 18. Here is Garrucho. 3-pointer. Bingo para kay Garrucho. And the lead is back to Team Gimbal. It's 21-18 with 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining. Here's Jason outside to Dinson. Dinson outside, and he will go out of bounds. No good. But the rebound will be secured, and the putback coming from Raven Basco. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Here is Pineda. Pineda, what a cut coming from Pineda, but no good naman nakatira. 55 seconds remaining here in the first. Kilab going, stolen again. 4 steals already. Para sa Team Celebrity, they are running the layup. Won't count, but a foul is being whistled, and a foul will go to them. And the first shot, 40-second. And perfect on the line, 2 from 2, coming from number 6 here. Here is Hikangao. Hikangao goes to the left. Goes to the left again. Hikangao Difficult shot, won't go. Number 16, Kilat, but no good again. 31, a 7 seconds differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Here's number 28. 22 seconds, 14 to shoot. The screen. 15 seconds, 8 to shoot, 3-pointer, wasak! 3 points! For Team 70, 10 seconds. Shot clock is off. Basco going inside, 19-foot jumper, no good. Number 73 on 2 seconds. And here's... That's the end of the first. After the end of the first chapter, ang score, 23 all. Deadlock at 20.